Let's see how to create FTP account in Hostinger and connect Filezilla. Log into your Hostinger Edge panel. Here you will see the hosting section. Click on Manage next to your web hosting. Now from the left side, select your domain name. Click on Files and then select FTP accounts. Scroll down from here, add your username. Now add your FTP password and then click on Create. Our FTP account is now created. Now go to Google and search for Filezilla. Open this first. Click on Download Filezilla Client. Download Filezilla Client. Click on this first option. Filezilla is now downloading. Just double click on it. Select I agree. Select Decline from here and then click on Next. Select Next, Next, Next and then click on Install. Click on Finish. So Filezilla is now installed. Now we will use our details. Go back to Hostinger FTP accounts. Copy the host name from here and paste it here. Copy the username from here and paste it here. Add the password here. And for the port, here is port 21. Copy it from here. Add to Filezilla and then click on Quick Connect. Click on OK. And as you can see that we are successfully logged in. And here are the files. So this is how you can create FTP account in Hostinger and connect it using Filezilla. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.